Hi, today I'll be demonstrating the warehousing process which we have customized to align with our quality module. In this session, I'll walk you through two key processes, the planning worksheet, which is also known as material requirement planning MRP, and material issue, also known as internal transfer orders. Let's start with the planning worksheet. The production team generates a plan to manufacture the final product. The system helps identify any shortages in the raw material or packing material required for the production. To calculate these shortages, we use the Calculate Regenerative Plan action. The system reviews all the firm plan production orders and identifies shortages. Here, we enter the starting date and the end date and turn on the MRP toggle. The system is generating the plan. Here, each shortage is also tagged with the EOPA number, which we generate on the sales order. This allows us to track which raw material are required for a specific finished good. The item marked in the red indicates shortages. To address this, we select one of them and click on Create Indent action. Once processed, the indent is successfully created in the system. At this stage, the purchase department takes over to procure the necessary material. Next, we can start with the material issue, which is also known as the internal transfer. Once the required materials have been procured, the production team converts the firm plan production order into a release production order to begin the manufacturing. The next step is for the warehouse user to transfer all the required material to the production floor. This is done by creating a material issue from the release production page by clicking on the Create Material Issue action. Here we see the material issue document which lists all four raw materials. The next step is to add bin-wise details by selecting the Add Bin action on the line level. This allows the system to allocate materials from multiple bins, automatically splitting the line on the material issue page. Here on the last line, if you see, the total was 82.56. We have split that into 80 and 2.56. Next, we assign the batch numbers by clicking on the action called as Assign Batch Number. The system automatically assigns the lot number to each line based on the first expiry first out method. Finally, we post the document. Once the document is posted, the system automatically deletes the material issue and creates a posted material issue. This concludes the demo on our warehouse process. We have ensured efficient material tracking, accurate inventory management, and a smooth production flow. Thank you for watching.